Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Data Analyst Explorers. In this video, we will solve question number 17, which is question number 18, which is uh, higher than 75 marks. So the question is query the name of any student in students who scored higher than 75 marks. So we have to extract the name of that student whose marks is greater than 75. Order your output by the last three character of each name. If two or more student both have names ending in the same last three character, that is Bobby, Robbie, etc. Secondary, sort them by ascending ID. So basically we have a student table with three columns: ID, name and marks. We have to retrieve name of that student uh, who have scored higher than 75 marks, and we have to order the name of a student by their last three characters of each name. And if the two students have the same last three character, then we will sort them by ascending ID. So each student have a different ID, so we have the second filtering will be based on the ascending ID. So here we will write select name from students where marks is greater than 75, and we have to order by the last three characters, which is right of name comma 3, right of name comma 3, and the second and the second argument is sort them by ascending ID. So we will sort them by ID, and now we will try to run the code. And here we can see that our answer is right. And finally we can click on this submit code. And thank you for watching this video.